Welcome to the Craft Tessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY, we're going to make this gingerbread village using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. So for this project, I'm going to take 2 of the Dollar Tree wood plaques and 2 of the Dollar Tree house plaques. You can find those in the Christmas crafting section. I'm going to use 2 paints, one in white by Americana Decor, and the other one is just brown, and it's from Craft Smart. That's like a Michaels brand. So if you have a Michaels near you, you can get the Craft Smart in brown. And I'm going to mix both of them together because the brown is a little too dark for what I want it to look like. So I'm just going to mix them straight onto the wood. And from there, I'm going to give the tree 2 coats, front and back, and I'm going to let each coat dry before I apply the next one. So let's continue painting this first tree. So now that I'm waiting for the trees to dry, I'm going to work on the 2 houses. These houses were from Halloween, but they do carry Christmas wooden shaped houses. You can find those, I'm assuming, right now during this time. But these, once again, these were from Halloween. Now I'm going to use the same exact 2 paint colors, and I'm going to give them 2 coats, front and back, and I'm going to let those dry. Let's finish with that. So now the paint is dry, and I'm going to use the Tulip Puffy paint in order to give it the frosting gingerbread look. I'm basically going to freehand designs. I looked some designs up online, and I'm just going to go around the windows and the edges of the house to give it that gingerbread cookie frosting design. Let's continue with this. So now that I've finished with my design with the Tulip Puffy paint, I'm going to take some very fine iridescent white glitter, and I'm going to pour it all over the house. You need to do this before the puffy paint dries. This way it makes things much quicker, and you don't have to add any type of glues in order to adhere the glitter. Let's continue with this part. I'm doing the same process that I did on the houses, on the trees. I had already done my designs, and now I'm going to pour the glitter because the puffy paint is still wet, and this way it will attach the glitter much quicker and easier. So once this part is done, I'm going to let these dry for a couple of hours, and then we will continue on to the next step. Now that both trees and houses are completely dry, I'm going to take the little wood blocks or the Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to create little stands. I'm going to hot glue them to each other in order to place these on the back of each of the houses and each of the trees, and this way it will create a little stand and we will be able to display these. So let's continue. So in order to make the stand, I use 4 of the wood pieces, one on top of each other. Now I'm going to add a horizontal piece in order for it to have more support because this house is a little top heavy. So I'm going to attach a little vertical piece and this will be done. Now I'm going to create the same holder for the trees, and once this part is done, these pieces will be ready to display. So let's finish with this. This was a pretty simple project, and I really love the way that these turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.